Hey guys, welcome back to Exquisite Books. My name is Basat Ali, and in today's video I am going to tell you how you can import your sales invoices into QuickBooks Online. So in order to import, all you have to do is to go to this gear icon, then under Tools go to Import Data. Now here you can import a variety of different things, but today we are going to import our customer sales invoices. Let's select import, and now I'm going to upload manually a CSV file to QuickBooks Online. So I'll select this option and I'll press upload. Now it is asking me to allocate my CSV file, and if you see here, it is saying that you cannot import a CSV file that have more than 1000 rows. So that is the maximum limit. Before uploading the file, let me take you to the CSV file. This is the CSV file that I am going to upload for my customer sales invoices. Now there are some of the mandatory fields that you must upload, that you must fill in order to make QuickBooks to upload your file. So the first compulsory column is invoice number, customer name, invoice date, due date, item amount, and the name of the item. These are the mandatory sections you must fill out, or else you can receive an error option in the QuickBooks Online. And also note that all of these items should already be created on QuickBooks Online. Then you would be able to import it, or else you have to create this product and services. In my case, this is all the inventory items. So these 6 columns are the mandatory ones. The others, it is up to you. You can fill them out or you can leave them blank. So let's upload this file. And here there is a small checkbox. You can check this box if you have entered new customers on your CSV file that are not already on the QuickBooks Online. So this will automatically add those customers to the QuickBooks. And in my case, I have some customers that are not already existing, so that's why I have checked this box. So let's proceed. Now here it has opened up the mapping window. Now in my case, all of my CSV column headers already matches with the QuickBooks field. That's why it has automatically mapped them, because the name and everything is the same. In your case, if it is not matching automatically, you can manually select any column that is same as this required by the QuickBooks field. So let's proceed. Now it is asking me that 4 new invoices will be imported and there are 4 new customers. As I told you, I didn't have added these customers on my QuickBooks Online. That's why it is just giving me a notification that these 4 are the new customers that are going to be added. So let's complete the import. Now the import has been started. It can take a while depending upon the number of sales invoices you are importing. And yes, it is nicely done. In my case, I just added 4 invoices and all of them have been uploaded. So I'll select OK, and I can also go to the customer section just to make sure that they have properly been added. Let's go to the sales and customers. Let me open the file as well. So these are the 4 new customers that were added. So let's check whether they have been uploaded successfully and under the same amounts. So first I'll search for Jonathan. J-O. So now you can see that this customer has an open balance of $200, and yes, only a single invoice is created for this one single customer. And you can see that the type is the invoice, the number is 9865, the same as the invoice number. I can also open this invoice just to check. Let's edit the invoice, and here you can see that the name of the customer, the product and service, the description, and everything is matching perfectly. So this is how you can upload your customer sales invoices to the QuickBooks Online. I do hope you guys liked the video, and thank you for watching.